Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super important: how to change your Navy Federal debit card PIN for 2025. Whether you're beefing up your security, recovering from a forgotten PIN, or just wanting a fresh start, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Navy Federal Credit Union account. You can do this through their mobile app or website. Make sure you're using a secure connection for safety. Once you're logged in, head over to the Accounts or Cards section. Look for your debit card details. It's usually under a tab like Manage Cards or Settings. Next, find the option that says something like Change PIN or Update Security. This might be under a sub-menu for your debit card. When you select it, you'll probably be asked to verify your identity. Think entering your current PIN, answering security questions, or even getting a one-time code sent to your phone. This is all about keeping your account safe, so don't skip it. Now, for the fun part. Enter your new PIN. Make it strong. Mix numbers, letters, and maybe a symbol if the system allows. You'll need to confirm it by typing it in twice to avoid any mistakes. Once that's done, hit Submit or Confirm, and voila! Your PIN should be updated almost instantly. A quick tip: always change your PIN in a private setting and log out after you're finished. If you run into any issues, Navy Federal's customer support is there to help via chat, phone, or in-app assistance. Remember, staying on top of your account security is key in 2025's digital world. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay secure out there. See you in the next video.